Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to enter Fastboot mode on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 8. Hold down the power key for a few seconds, tap power off, and confirm again. Wait until the device is completely switched off. Use the combination of power key and volume down. Hold both together for a few seconds. Release all keys as soon as Fastboot mode appears. You can use this mode or quit it by long pressing the power key. Release the power key when the phone goes black and it will reboot into normal mode. The phone is now in normal mode and you can use your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and leave a thumbs up.